as one, tumeamua kura yetu tutapatia William Samoei Ruto. Na mukafanya vile ilikuwa na vile tulisema. We love you for free. And we shall always love you because you are great people. You are people who walk with your leaders and your leaders walk with you. Na mimi kama papa wa Roma, Your Excellency, hii Bungoma yetu na Western kwa jumla tukishirikiana ndugu yangu Musalia, we can only say mbele iko sawa. Na tutatembea hivyo tufike kule tunaenda. So students, be ready to benefit from this park. Watu wa Bungoma, I know there are many Kenyans who will come here, but charity must begin with you. We want to see the users of this park, the beneficiaries of this park, those who will make wealth from this park. Wa kwanza wawe ni nyinyi wenyewe. Vamai, ata nyone muicha salala, oina alimeheka, oino chieka chivili, oino chitaru, oino chirano, mamure kama indi kenyu alala. Ne murerano ne musiabufu, esoke li tayari Nairobi, esoke li tayari Eldoret, esoke li tayari Kisumu. Mando murasa kama pesa mfuko, mukenda sana ikiminie. Mukenda sana ikiminie. Omona akhorebo lomo lindene chisendi mfuko umbola sini. Mwenya mube murio. Bas, that is all we want. Murio munoko. Sasa wacha nimuite ndugu yangu Musalia. Lakini kabla hajakuja Your Excellency, we must acknowledge our girl. Nahumincha, kuja hapa. Semanyi lemuli raisi kakusima paka kahuwelisi ya Minister wa Health. Vamulanga bali nani? Omwana se bali Nahumincha. Niye wimela chose bito chose mukenyi. Muyulila murie mai. Hupako vikalakala hubone. Aya, kesi yataka moja.
Asante sana. Your Excellency the President, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, Your Excellency the Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi, and Speaker of the National Assembly and Party Leader Ford Kenya.